So hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to submit your sitemap to Google. So what we're going to do first is to go to a sitemap generator. So we're going to go to XML sitemap generator, I think, if I'm not wrong, and then enter. Here it is, and this is a site we want to go to, xmlsitemaps.com. So we click here. And here, when we go here, we just have to scroll down. I mean, depending on the size of your screen. And here, you have to enter the URL of our site, the complete URL of our site. So here, I'm going to use lookforbedbugs.com here. And after I enter that, I have to scroll down. And then start. So now that this is done, what we can do is to download this file in particular. So what I'm going to do is to save link as. I just right clicked on it and then clicked on save link as, and now I'm going to go to my desktop and save it as a sitemap like that. I hope this is the only one. Okay, it's the only one. So this is done. Now what we want to do, because we want to submit this sitemap to Google Webmaster Tool. So what we're going to do now is to go back to Google, in particular google.com, like that, and then here we're going to type in Webmaster Tool. So it's already coming out, so it is the one here. So in order to be here, you'll have to create also an account with Google. So I just assume that you have your account right now, and now that we're here, we need to scroll down. I mean, here I need to scroll down and then click on add a site. And the site I added in the other part was Look for Bedbugs, so here it is. And after I do that, I click on continue. Now that we're here, Google wants to verify that we own this website. So we have different options that we could use to help Google know that this site is really our site. So you have either add a DNS record or link to Google Analytics or upload the HTML file. Personally, I like this one. I think it's simpler, and it is actually based on using FTP. FTP was the previous video. I showed you pretty much how to transfer files from your computer to your hosting server. So here we are. We click on upload an HTML file to your server, and here's the file that we need to download. So to download it, you just have to right click on it and then save link as, and just don't change the name of the file, keep it like that. Oh, I already have another one here, so what I'm going to do here is to delete the problem. I don't need it anymore, so delete this one. Yes, and I'm going to come back, so cancel that and right click here, save link as, and here we're going to save it like that. We don't change anything. Save. So the file has been saved. Now what we need to do is to upload the file. So to do that, we need to go to our hosting account, to our cPanel. So we go to cPanel. I have to open a new window here. So I know already my address. So to know exactly how to get to your cPanel, you can go to the email, one of the email that were sent to you by the hosting company, and you'll have a link to the cPanel normally. So here I'm already on my cPanel, I went on it, and now I'm going to actually go to File Manager. I mean, I don't need to do that actually, we just need to upload it. So you can either go to File Manager, or you can do it through FTP. So just to show you pretty much how to do it, I'm going to do it through FTP. So I'm going to open FileZilla again, and here I'm going to go to my site, in particular Bedbugs. Yes, okay, so here we are, Bedbugs, and what I want to do is to transfer the file. So here it is my computer, local site, so I need to find the sitemap that I've just created and I've saved on my desktop. So what I want to do is to delete this part here like that and enter, and I think it was the name was Google something. So Okay, here it is. Here is the file, Google. So here, I'm going to double click on that, like that. So the name is 95 something. So here we can check out right here on the side to see if the file is here. And yeah, it is here. Well, I have two files because I've done it twice apparently, but this is the file here, 955 ed, and a lot of other stuff here. So this is the file in question. So what I want to do now is to go back to Google and confirm that I have uploaded this file here. So we go back to Google, to the webmaster page here where we were before, and then we are at step number 3, confirm successful upload by visiting this. So I'm going to visit it. I click on this, and here is it. Here it is. So Google site verification, and we have the file name here. This is just, I mean, this is what has to happen. And then for click verify below. So here we click on verify, and we just wait. And here we are. I mean, it worked completely, but the site was already on, I already had submitted this site, I think, to Google. So, but normally this worked, it's really good. So now your sitemap has been generated. So each time that you're going to create a new post, actually, you'll have your sitemap will list the page that you've created. Now that this is done, let's go to the next video.